Today we're going to be fixing black point television, and we fix all different kind of appliances. We fix radio, DVDs, we fix television of different kinds. We have projector screens. We also have the TV you call the big back. We fix plasmas. We fix also the smart LED televisions. Today we're going to be fixing a 32-inch smart black point television.
I think if you really want to, not that we have igloos, but if you really want to, you could probably just try send this and turn it into a rolling cooler as well.
And so this television has a problem of no picture, but it has sound. Some television may don't have any picture and has the sound, but it is not a backlight problem. It could be the power supply board, or if it has a single board, it could also be the main board needs to be replaced. Today we're going to be fixing this black point 32-inch screen television. Here we go. We're going to be taking it apart until we reach the LED, that area that you see, just the LED lights. There are a couple of tools that we use to check. Today's tool that we are going to be using is a LED television backlight tester. We disassemble and then do the check to see which strip or backlight is not working. So what we try to do is either replace the strips or replace as much LEDs on it that we deem as not sufficient enough to carry through. After doing all the testings, replacing the LEDs, and we're going to screw it up back, fix it up like what we're doing now, and then we run a little test and show you the end results. Here at Studio 99 we have audio and video recording that we do, stuff like music videos. We also do advertisements. You know, we can advertise your company. Here at Studio 99 we have an internet cafe here. We also have the electronic part of the business, which we fix televisions, appliances, DVDs, and so on and so forth. Alright, so these are some of the things that we do here, and you can come here and get your television fixed. You can come by and get your media, you know what I mean, and so on and so forth. We do some work on phones too as well, you know. Here at Studio 99 HRS production, 13 Abbott Road, Kingston 7, off the Mona Road above Augustown. You find us. Our phone number is 4789357. You can link us up at Facebook, YouTube, and all the social media pages at Studio 99 HRS production.